Hey everyone, so we got another set for you. We just picked up from Sam's Club the other day. It's called Totality. It is a great set for the price. It was $149 plus tax. And you can see we got a whole lot of things here. Pretty much everything you need to put on your show. It contains many of the top family favorites. And we're going to go ahead and we're going to get this open for you. But we've seen other sets that compare to this, and you can't beat it for the price. So we're going to go ahead and get this open for you and show you everything that we got here. Alright, so we got the box open and we pulled out some of the fireworks. We're going to go ahead and cut this open and show you what we got. So right off the bat, you got Red Hot. We got Hot Zone 8 shots. Red Stars Barrage, which is 42 shots. It says it's exclusive to this pack, so that's pretty cool. We got 4 of the 7-inch night shells. Okay, this also says it's exclusive. There everything goes. Alright, so we got the small display shells, Crackling Red Star, multi-pack, 4 assorted. Here's some more. And we got Under the Willow, a couple of lighting flashes, Minuteman, got Yankee Doodle 6 shots, Zombie War, Sapphire Explosion. This is 6 shots. 25 shots. This is just the Saturn missiles. And we got Starlight, 6 shots. Also says it's exclusive to the pack. Busy Bee. We got Magic. A couple more at the bottom here. This is a lot in this one little pack. Garden in Spring, 7 shots. Put that right there. We got Hot Zone, 8 shots. Magic Dragon. Then we got Fear. Mardi Gras. And then we got Walking Zombies. I want to see what this one does. Should be pretty cool. Alright, and then you have your second pack here. Move this out of the way. Alright, let's see if I can get this one open. Where did I put my scissors? There they are. Keep that kind of closed so they don't all fall out again. So again, some more lightning flashes. Another Starlight, which is 6 shots. So we got 2 of those in the pack. And we got Asteroid. So a whole bunch of fountains and stuff, guys. Lemon Lime. Global Lights. Dancing Sombreros. Cluster Bomb. This one says 9 shots. And we got Recess. Again, another assortment pack of the 7-inch night shells. We got Moonshot, which is 8 shots. We got Crackling Glory. Some more Saturn missiles, 50 shots. Alright. And then we got House Party. This is a big one. Got a bunch of artillery shells. 6 assorted artillery shells with comet tail. Almost getting to the end here. Combustion Chamber. Then we got Outbox. Green Star Barrage, 42 shots. Silver Star Barrage, 42 shots. And then we got Battle Cry, 6 shots. Sunburst, 6 shots. Blazing Skies, that's 13 shots. And then last but not least, Azul, 7 shots. So I think this is a great assortment pack for $149. Definitely can't beat it. Yes.
Alright, so basically guys, I'm sure she mentioned this is $149 at Sam's Club. I definitely think it's worth the price. There's 52 different things to light in this package. So basically if you did 150 divided by 52, you get 288, right? So if you ever lit off a firework that cost you $2.88 and said it wasn't worth it, that's pretty much non-existent, right guys, in the firework world. I came up with 297 shots in this package, and obviously that's not including all the fountains that are included here, but this is definitely an all-around family box for $150. So if you're on an extremely tight budget, you just want to do some fireworks for the kids and have a blast, this is definitely worth it. $149 at Sam's Club. And we're gonna go ahead and end this video, guys. We're putting our show together for the 4th of July. We've been super busy. As you can see behind Liz over here,
got a lot of goodies.
Yeah, we got a lot of stuff to light off, guys. So keep watching the videos.
Yes. And my party bus.
And the party
which
bus,
I will
guys.
Be, I'm sure I'm going to be lighting a lot more off. But yeah, I can't wait to light that one off.
Yeah, so she has to do the party bus, guys, because she got the 100 likes on the other video. So let's go for 300 and make her light some mortars. How about that? We'll see if we can lose some fingers. And you'll be safe, right?
You want to be safe.
I seen that they're starting to ban fireworks all across the country. So we're not going to have that here. And the good thing is we're going to get some rain in the next couple days, you know, and all that good stuff. But either way, we're going to end the video here. And,
thank you for supporting his channel. And definitely give him the likes and subscribe. And, you know, we hope to keep going and giving you more content.
That's right, guys. Stay safe. See you on the next video. Thanks for watching.